Me and my brother wanted to go on an adventure, so we looked up the most dangerous mountain in the UK. We found Crib Goch. We planned to climb up Crib Goch and then continue on up to summit Snowdonia.
Okay, welcome to another video. Me and my brother have decided to go on a spontaneous trip to Snowdonia National Park, and we'll be hiking up Snowdon tomorrow morning for yet another sunrise. We left Surrey at about 1:15, and there's been a lot of traffic, so we're going to try and get to sunset, but that's not going to happen because the sun's setting now. We're 2 hours away, but we are on our way. We're wild camping in Snowdonia National Park, and then we'll pack up the tent and leave for hiking up Snowdon early tomorrow morning. So it's going to be a good one. I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, so we've just arrived in the one and only the Wales, the land of the sheep, and well, it's pitch black and we're looking for somewhere to camp in Snowdonia National Park. It looks wicked, well, we can't really see that it looks wicked, but it is pretty wicked because we can just see the outlines of mountain. We're just looking for somewhere to camp now because we need to sleep because we're getting up for the sunrise. Okay, so we've just found a little camp spot, just sheltered a little bit by some rocks, but it's still pretty windy. Yeah, we're gonna set up the tent, get it all sorted, get everything nice and cozy, and then we're gonna have a little fire. So yeah, we're gonna set up the tent, which you won't be able to see because it is pitch black. Okay. Okay. If you listen to this lovely noise, that would be our tent flapping around in the wind because we only have about 5 pegs. So at the end of the day, we don't have a fire. It's not going to work. We're not going to sleep in the tent because it's way too windy and we only have 5 pegs. So what we're going to do is we're going to go sleep in the car. Okay, so we're in the car and we're looking in the manual to look up how to turn the motion detectors off so the alarm doesn't go off every 2 minutes when we're trying to sleep.
We slept on and off for 6 hours in the car and then woke up just after 5.
Cheers, brother. Yeah.
We began the hike at 6 AM, and as we walked up, the sky got brighter, and we were treated to a magnificent sunrise.
Just reached the top of the peak and we're starting to walk along the ridge line. I put on my drone for a little bit, but it got really windy, so I had to bring it down, otherwise I was gonna send it into the next mountain. So hopefully we'll be able to kind of see how steep each side of this ridge line is. It's pretty mad. It's a tough climb. It is the toughest one of the toughest in England. Walk along and then walk all the way up to Snowdon, so this should be an awesome hike / climb. Enjoy these views.